Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with essentials. Keep the Xbox on its dashboard and unplug only when instructed. First, power down the console from the guide, then unplug power from both modem and router for 30 seconds to clear transient faults. While they boot, check cable connections and write down your SSID and password. Once done, turn modem on, wait for sync lights, then start router, and let it fully initialize before powering the Xbox back on to re-establish a fresh network handshake. Now you'll verify settings. On the Xbox, go to Network Settings and run the detailed network test. Note NAT type and packet loss numbers. If Wi-Fi shows issues, try connecting via Ethernet to isolate wireless problems or swap bands from 4 to 5 GHz for congestion relief. If DHCP gives changing IPs, assign a static IP with manual DNS entries using reliable public DNS. Once set, reboot the console and rerun the network test to confirm improved latency and a stable NAT. Finish by optimizing the path. Enable Router Co-S or forward Xbox Live ports to your console's static IP to reduce latency and open NAT. Make sure both router firmware and Xbox system software are current. Updates often resolve hidden bugs. Once everything's updated, run a final multiplayer test and monitor for drops. If you still see issues, factory reset network settings on the Xbox and reconfigure. If that fails, contact the ISP to check line health. Packet loss at the modem indicates provider-side trouble.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.